Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am actually going to be, this one's going to be lame because I'm actually just doing cool target practice with these little sticky guys. Yeah, that one's gone. So we are actually going to be shooting in that little, thing over there, if you can see it. So I need to get you guys in an angle. So that's a pretty good angle. Oh, and I actually want to do a quick shout out to Certified Family Fun. Go check out our other videos. Go check out our other videos where I play with games with him. So yeah, let's get into the video. So there's actually three things. The first one is so this one we have to get in, and this one, and that one. So I'm gonna use the ninja dude first. I missed. They're all over here. Careful. No armed skeleton. Okay. Bunny. Spider. Wait. A leg from a skeleton. Or I think it's another bunny. Sorry about that. A Canada flag. Oh, yes! I got the dinosaur and the blue skeleton and another dinosaur. Okay, orange skeleton, no. And let's try the goo. Goo! 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 Oh. Let's try some more goos. Oh, the skeleton that lost his leg from earlier. Goo! Okay, goo isn't working. And now the puss. Spider. Yes. Yoink. Goo. Goo. Okay. So 50 points. 10. So I got 80 points. Let's go again. Okay, this is your turn. You're going. Wait, you're showing. Yeet! Oh, you didn't get it in. Okay. Okay, I'm getting like 2 hard souls. Yoink. What? That counts as 10. It bounced out. That counts as 10. Yoink! Goo. Okay. Goo. Okay. Goo. Okay. Goo. Just getting weird. Goo. Goo. Okay. Goo. 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 We have one more. Or actually, we have 4 more. Okay. So the one that I forgot to pick up the candy flake. Oh, 50. Skeleton leg spider. Okay, let's see what we got. We got 60 points. We got 1 into 10, 1 into 50. Dinner. I like how there's a little hole in it. Yoink. I really don't know what to do. Okay, I was gonna make. Do like 700 back here. I'm a world champion football player. Don't test me. Okay. Okay, that was doing good. Trying to hit you guys. Attack. This is the one. I hate you guys. I hate you guys. Again. Yeah, that's mostly it for today's video. I know it was very short and very lonely. But yeah, go look at my videos with Cedric Frigo Family Fun and us playing video games. So yeah, I actually just finished school, so I just wanted to film a quick video. So yeah, leave a like, subs, and I'll see you in my next video.